Have you ever been in a situation where you get into your car, you're hoping it will take you to the place where you need to be, you press the start button or you turn your key and nothing happens? Well, I've experienced it and I know it's not a nice situation to find yourself in. Luckily these days there are companies out there like GREPRO which can save your day. This little device is a super small jump starter which can help you start your engine even if your battery is flat. And on top of that, it can inflate your tires and can be used as a torch as well. So let's unpack it now so I can show you how it looks like.
On the box, GREPRO included all the information about the specification of the product and its functionality. The product with all the accessories fits into this case, so it's easy to store in your car or other places. As you can see, it came with a number of accessories which include the airline for the pump, the clamps for your battery, different tips for the airline so you can use it to pump up balls, mattresses, etc. and a USB cable which you can use to charge the device and to charge other devices with the jump starter. The clamps can only be connected in one way, so there is no way to connect it wrong way round. But even if you would connect the clamps incorrectly to the battery, the product will detect it and prevent any damage to it.
About 3 months ago I bought this car, and as it quickly turned out, the battery in this car it's not in the best shape. When we had colder days and the car was stationary for 2 or 3 days, it was actually struggling to crank up the engine. So yeah, it was losing its power quite quickly. Therefore I started wondering, well, actually I could do with one of those jump starters now. Luckily the day's gone warmer, so the battery gone slightly better, and because I use it now regularly, it's only on the odd occasions, on the cold mornings, when I can still hear that when the battery is cranking up the engine, it's not doing it very well. It's slightly slower than it should be, which is a sign that the battery isn't in the best shape. And that's why I think that jump starter can save my life now, because if I'm gonna go to the airport and leave this car for a week, I would be really anxious what's going to happen when I will get back, jump into the car, and I might get a nasty surprise. So how do I demonstrate to you today that this product is working and it's doing what it's supposed to do? Well, I thought I might help this battery to discharge, and luckily this car can help me with its sound system because it has a 700 watt amplifier. So if I run it for about 20-30 minutes, this battery will struggle very quickly. So you're rejoining me a couple of days later, as actually I ran out of light before I finished the video. So I've actually managed to drain the battery through the day, and now the car is in some kind of preservation mode because it doesn't want to play the music with the engine off for longer than a minute. It also disabled functions like comfort access, which can drain battery even further. So it really is trying to preserve the battery life now, and the battery must be pretty weak. So I'm gonna try to start it now so you can see how it struggles and if it starts, and then we're gonna try to connect the jump pack and we'll see how it starts with jump pack connected to it. As you've just heard, the car really struggled to crank the engine, so I think we're ready for our test. I'm not gonna be draining the battery any further because I don't want to damage it in any way. So I think it's time for this bad boy to show us what it can do. And it's ready to go. So I'm going to connect red clamp to red terminal and black one to this one. Right, I think we are ready. Just want to make sure this doesn't go and this doesn't fly off anywhere when I start the engine. So, as you've just heard, the car started without any issue with this jump starter connected to it. So it proves the point, it will start your car. They also advise that if the battery is completely flat, you can actually connect it to the battery and you can press the boost option. So it gives it a bit of boost before you start the engine. So that helps it even if it's like completely flat. But let's test the other function of this jump starter pack. You can actually use it to pump up your tires. So let's see how it works. I'm going to drop the pressure to see how quickly it can pump it up. Okay, that should be enough. Right, so it dropped by 0.4 bar because it's set to bars at the moment. You can also set it to PSI if this is what you prefer. But let me now set it to what it was before, 2.8, and see what it will do. And it's working. It is quite loud though. And it's done. So it can jump up your car, it can pump up the tires if you have a puncture or low pressure. Is there any other function? Yes, that light. So it can also work as a torch. And actually it's reasonably powerful as well. So if you find yourself in a dark and if you have to pump up your tires and there's no lights around, or you have to deal with your battery and for example, you're in a dark street, you can't see things. Well, you will with this little light. So I think this is quite perfect combo.
I actually found out you can use it not only for your car, but you can use it with your bike, or you can even take it with you on holiday and pump up inflatables with it.
I think for what it costs, it's really worth to have it in your car. It's not that heavy, it's quite small. You can put it somewhere in a boot and it will stay there for when, hopefully not, you need it. So I can definitely recommend the product and I will keep this one for myself. As I said, I think this is product you maybe not be using every day, but you can use it to top up your tires after winter if you need to bump up the pressure. You can use it when you find yourself in unfortunate situation and your battery will run out. And as I said, you just never know. You might be at the airport coming back from your holiday really tired with kids. That situation can be resolved with this box within a minute. So once again, I'm really happy to recommend this product. Thank you GREPRO for sending it to me. I will be keeping it for myself. So if you think this product might be useful to you, please make sure you use the link in the description of this video to order it. For now, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure you give this video a like, you subscribe to my channel, and I see you shortly in the next one. Thank you, goodbye, do widzenia.